first gather supplies. This craft you need adult help for safety. We're using shrink paper to make a nativity to go inside the globe. Make sure you use permanent markers and follow the instructions on the shrink paper. And then you'll have a tiny nativity to put inside your globe. You can use a glass jar or this plastic jar that I found at the dollar store, which is the one I'll show you here, and then some glue. You can use a glue gun, but I'm using my favorite glue. It does take a day or two to cure, so you'll have to wait. You don't want to get this glue on your skin, so get adult help, but if you use this kind of glue, it makes it a bit stronger and less likely to leak, and I'm using a knife to hold it up while it dries. Now I'm taking a jar, and I'm going to put some glitter in it, and you can put confetti, glitter confetti. Now I'm putting baby oil in it till 3/4 full, and then I'll put a little bit of water. We put some water with dissolved yellow acrylic paint in it just to give it a little bit of a glowy feel. Fill to the very top, and here I'm gluing the part where the lid goes on. Now I'm taking the lid and I'm screwing it on really tight. When you do the glitter, don't do too much or you won't be able to see your nativity. Then you shake it up and ta-da! The glory of the Lord shone around them.